So it's really rewarding to know that you've been able to help someone just mellow themselves and be able to help them think clearly and put them in the right direction for support and advice.
So this single point of contact is allowing patients to just have one number. We're actually open 24/7 and people can access that service from us. If you phoned Mental Health 111 press 2, you would come through to a wellbeing practitioner. These practitioners have been trained specifically for this role, making sure you get the support that you need at the right time in the right place. So you're able to access services much quicker, whether that's somebody who has serious mental illness, have social difficulties. We're able to support all those individuals. You would then be asked a series of questions so they could see where maybe what support you needed. This is not time limited. Once they've spoken to you, they feel you need support. You will then speak to a qualified Band 6 clinician who will be able to get you that support as soon as possible so that things don't escalate.
It's really important that we're that friendly face that you can't see almost. You know, you're picking the phone up, contacting someone who is there for you and only you. Or if you're ringing for someone else, we're all human, we've all had down days, we've all had up days, we've all experienced our own struggles in one way or another. So there's a lot of, you know, real people giving real advice on the other end of the phone. It's not scripted. It's that real person-centred care, putting the patient first, the caller first. It's being able to have those discussions. You know, it's not just someone telling you, okay, you need to do this, you need to do that. It's coming up with a plan with that individual so they have their own say in their care as well. It's really rewarding to know that you've been able to bring that person who may have phoned up being a 10 and you've brought them down to be like a 2.
The service users, you know, they're commenting on how it's much easier to get hold of somebody, maybe to just have that chat, to maybe speak through with somebody, to be able to learn some basic coping strategies such as breathing techniques, coping skills, distraction techniques that might be able to get them through that day, and so they don't escalate to a crisis scenario, that everyone's able to access the service so that we're able to support everyone, whatever age, whatever their status is, we're able to get them to the right area to receive that support within a timely manner as well. So that really helps with people not being stuck on waiting lists. It's really patient focused, it's patient led. And so the patients feel this Mental Health 111 has made it much simpler for people to get the care that they need. Anytime, whether that's in the day or the night, we are here, and there will always be a wellbeing practitioner that will be able to answer any of their queries.